Okay, let's go over how to find multifamily, which is 5+, multifamily on New Jersey MLS. So the first thing you want to do is go to search, click on property search, and then go on under property category. You want to choose 5+ and mixed use properties. Now if you're looking for apartment buildings, what you want to do is you want to click here, which is number of residential units, but we'll do that in a minute. First and foremost, we need to choose a county, so I'm going to click right here and choose Bergen County. Alright, and then area, we're just going to leave it blank. Okay, we're going to do a search on the entire area. What we do want is we want to make sure that we have residential units minimum. Let's assume that you're looking for somebody at 6 units minimum. So we're going to put in 6 units on residential, and that's basically it. Let's search right now and see what we find. Let's see how many properties. Okay, we got 6 properties that have 6 residential units, 6+ apartments. This one has 8 units right here. This one has 6 units, 6, 8, 7, and 8. All right, different towns. The first one is in Bergenfield, Cliffside Park, Inglewood Cliffs, Hackensack, and Wilmington. So if we're going to go right in to the first one, you can see, you know, the information. It's pretty simple. I mean, the price is right here, address. This is the original price. It's been on the market for 108 days. Okay, listing is going to be expired on May. You got the tax records right here. So what we want to figure out is, okay, first and foremost, there's 8 parking, okay, and 8 residential units. All of them are 1 bedrooms. It tells you right here, number of 1-bedroom units, 8. Okay, so all these units are 1 bedrooms. The gross income is $86,000 according to this listing. The first thing you want to do is you want to call the listing agent and request to have a income and expense breakdown so you can see exactly what each unit is paying. Okay, now in particularly this person over here listed the rents. Okay, here the rents are right. The rents are, I don't understand what it means, right side. Unit number 1 pays $1,069, unit 2, 3, 4, and then you got, okay, so you got a right side and a left side, I guess, on the property, right? You have the right side right here and then the left side. So you got 4 units on each side, and these are the rents. You also have the mortgage and taxes, $58,000. I don't understand why he's putting the mortgage in here. That makes no sense. And then PSC&G, water, alarm, insurance. So all the expenses are here. You can do a income and expense real quick, but I would rather call this agent. Okay, click here, get his information, call him or email him and request more information. You can request the P&L, or it's also called income and expense sheet. Just call him and ask for it, and then have him fax or email it to you so you can see it. But this is the basic information on that listing. If you wish to email it, again, click up here and then customer report, or customer report with no address, and then click on go, and at the bottom of that page you can scroll down here, email it to yourself, put your email address right here, email it to yourself, and then from your email address you can forward it to your investors. Okay, if you want to print it, obviously click on print. Okay, let's go back for a moment. I want to see some other listings. Let's click on Cliffside Park. Okay, so this one has 6 parking, 3-story, as you can see here, number of stories, 3-story. It has 6 residential apartments, and here you see the breakdown. You got 5 3-bedrooms and 1 2-bedroom. Okay, so that's a better scenario. As far as the gross income, you can see it here, $77,400. The net income is $58,102. Expenses, total expenses, $19,000. Okay, $19,000. You got a couple of pictures that you can see here. Alright, and then what's important about these listings is to find out who pays the heat. Taxes are, okay, here you go. You got the rent roll over here. We have the rent roll in here. You got taxes, breakdown, separate utilities, so it tells you the tenant paid their own utilities except the cold water. Alright, so the majority of the information is right here on the listing, and what you want to do is, for the showing instructions, follow these instructions. Okay, if you need more information, call the agent, click right here. You should have their phone number and email address, so you can contact the listing agent if you need more information. Alright, if you need some history, you want to check history, you can click on tax records. There's also what you can see here. You see this D over here? Those are documents that the listing agent uploaded. This might be the income and expense, so let's click and see what's there. There you go, income and expense. So if you click on income and expense, it's going to open up, Let's try to open it, see if it opens. Okay, where is that? Microsoft. Okay, let's do Microsoft Excel and see if it opens up. Okay, so we click on that. Basically, there it is. Okay, here's the address. Apartment breakdown, how many bedrooms in each. You got the rents, utilities are separate, and then you have all the expenses. What you can do from here is just print this out, and so you can click on Control P, and we'll send it to the printer to print it. Okay, so that's that. It's very simple. Again, you click on the D for documents. Alright, you click on D for documents, and then you click on income and expense, and you just download to your computer and then open it and print it out. Alright, so that's a good example to show you how to do that.